Hi, my name is Tom Witek. You can find more information about me at justsellinghomes.ca. Let me show you around this beautiful house. Welcome to Chateauneuf Neighbourhood in Orleans. This home is located within the walking vicinity of few parks: Marcel, Bilberry Creek, Garneau, Delorme, Cedar Mills parks. Easy access to grocery stores, coffee shops, and public transit. There are at least 5 public elementary schools within 5 to 20-minute walk. As you enter this home through the main entrance, you encounter an amazing curved staircase. The center and the heart of this home is a very bright, huge kitchen with tons of cupboards, a good-sized island, and an access to large hedged backyard, featuring a large wood deck which is meant for entertaining. You can start entertaining your guests and family in the kitchen and then lead them towards the outside area, where you all can sit and enjoy the deck and gazebo. Let me share with you your new home. The large master bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet and an ensuite. The other 4 bedrooms are of good size, plus you can enjoy a bonus room that can be used as a reading room, then office room area. The home has a convenient second-floor laundry. You will find hardwood in most areas of the house, complemented by tile and laminate flooring. This single-family detached 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom Cape Cod style home is situated on cul-de-sac Quiet Street on a double lot. The lot is almost 67 feet wide at the front and almost 80 feet wide at the back. The lot is 131 feet deep. As per MPAC information, this home has a total floor area above grade of 2,488 square feet, plus the whole lower level area, which is additional space. There are 2 bedrooms in the lower level, rec room, and an additional bathroom. The lower level has a separate entrance. So if you like what you have seen, please contact me directly so we can book a private tour. Thank you.